Welcome back to Autoverse, the channel where we explore the pinnacle of automotive engineering and luxury. Today, we're stepping into a world where home and highway merge in the most extravagant way possible. Get ready to have your minds blown, because we're about to tour the brand new 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach, a rolling mansion that comes with a staggering price tag of $2.5 million. Is it just a motorhome, or is it a 5-star hotel on wheels? Let's find out. Right away, the exterior of this machine is just breathtaking. This isn't your average RV. It's built on a Prevost H3 245 bus chassis, renowned for being the smoothest and most reliable ride in the industry. The paint job alone is a work of art, with multiple layers of clear coat, giving it a depth that you could almost swim in. It's over 45 feet of pure, polished perfection. You've got these sleek, integrated awnings that extend with the touch of a button, creating a massive outdoor patio space. And check this out, hidden storage compartments glide out effortlessly, revealing an outdoor entertainment system complete with a massive 4K TV and a high-end soundbar. You can be tailgating at the Super Bowl and have a better setup than most people's living rooms. Everything is seamlessly integrated, from the frameless windows to the subtle LED accent lighting that makes this coach glow at night. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood, or rather, in the back. Powering this beast is a massive Volvo D13 engine, delivering incredible torque to move all this luxury down the road without breaking a sweat. It's paired with a sophisticated Allison transmission, making the driving experience surprisingly smooth and manageable for a vehicle of this size. And it's not just about power, it's about self-sufficiency. This coach is equipped with a powerful diesel generator and an array of solar panels on the roof, meaning you can live completely off-grid for extended periods without sacrificing a single creature comfort. The technology here is truly next level, but the real magic happens when you step inside. The door opens with a satisfying hiss, and you're immediately greeted by an interior that rivals a Park Avenue penthouse. The craftsmanship is just astounding. The first thing you notice is the heated marble flooring that flows throughout the main living area. It's not laminate, it's not vinyl, it's genuine, polished stone. The ceiling is a custom-designed art piece with multi-layered LED lighting that you can program to any color or mood you desire. It creates an incredible sense of space and ambience. The main salon is an entertainer's dream. We have plush, opposing sofas upholstered in the finest European leather. They're not just beautiful, they're incredibly comfortable. One of them even converts into a bed with the touch of a button. Facing the sofas is a massive 65-inch 4K television that rises silently from a custom-built credenza. And the sound system, it's a concert hall on wheels, with speakers strategically placed throughout the coach for a fully immersive audio experience. The woodwork you see everywhere is all handcrafted solid wood, finished to perfection. Liberty Coach doesn't cut any corners. Every cabinet, every drawer, closes with a quiet, satisfying click. Moving into the galley, or what I should really call the chef's kitchen, you have a full-sized residential refrigerator with an ice maker, a convection microwave, and an induction cooktop that's flush with the quartz countertop. The details are what set this apart. Look at this facet. It's a designer piece. There's a deep, stainless steel sink, and even a dishwasher drawer. You could easily prepare a gourmet meal for a dozen people in this space. And notice the storage. Liberty has masterfully designed custom pull-out pantries and deep drawers, so there's a place for everything. There's even a dedicated dinette that converts from a cozy booth for two into a dining table that can comfortably seat for us. We move down the hall, we pass the half. Even this smaller bathroom is more luxurious than the main bath in most homes. It features a vessel sink, a high-tech toilet, and the same beautiful stonework and cabinetry we saw in the main living area. It's perfect for guests, so they don't have to go into your private master suite. Privacy and convenience are key themes in this design. Now, prepare yourselves for the master suite. This is the sanctuary, the private retreat at the back of the coach. The first thing that greets you is a king-sized bed, and not just any bed. It's an adjustable bed that allows you to raise your head and feet to find that perfect position for reading or watching TV. Speaking of which, there's another large television perfectly positioned at the foot of the bed. The entire room is surrounded by cedar-lined wardrobes and an incredible amount of drawer space. You could pack for a 6-month journey and still have room to spare. The lighting in here is soft and indirect, creating a calm and restful atmosphere. But the true showstopper of the master suite is the ensuite bathroom. This is not a bathroom, it's a spa. We're talking a full-sized custom-tooled shower with a rainfall shower head, body jets, and a glass door. The vanity features dual sink set in that same gorgeous quartz countertop with beautiful backlit mirrors and a piece-day resistance. The heated floors extend in here, so your feet are always warm when you step out of the shower. There's even a stacked washer and dryer, completely concealed behind custom cabinetry. You literally have every convenience of a modern luxury home. Controlling all of this advanced technology could be complicated, but Liberty Coach has made it incredibly simple. The entire coach is run by a sophisticated Crestron automation system, all accessible through multiple built-in touchscreens or an app on your iPad. From one screen, you can control the lighting, the blinds, the audio-visual systems, the climate control, extend the slides and awnings, and even monitor your power and water levels. It's intuitive, it's seamless, and it puts total control of your $2.5 million environment right at your fingertips. So, who buys a motorhome like this? It's for the discerning traveler who refuses to compromise on quality, luxury, and freedom. It's for the family that wants to explore the country without ever leaving the comfort of home. It's for the successful entrepreneur who needs a mobile office that's also a 5-star retreat. It's a statement. It says you value craftsmanship, you demand the best, and you want to experience the world on your own terms. After spending time in this 2026 Prevost Liberty Coach, it's clear that it's so much more than just a vehicle. It's a masterpiece of design and engineering. It's a rolling testament to what's possible when you combine uncompromising luxury with ultimate mobility. The $2.5 million price tag is certainly steep, but for the level of detail, quality, and freedom it provides, you can see where every single penny goes. This isn't just traveling, it's living without limits. What do you guys think? Is this the ultimate way to travel? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. I read every single one. Thanks so much for joining us on this incredible tour today here on Autoverse. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next adventure into the world of automotive excellence. Until next time, travel safe.